Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question is select the correct statements. So we have given that 4 statements in the question and we have to read all the statements and we will answer the question. So सबसे पहली वाली statement पढ़ते हैं, that is acidic strength of HBr is greater than HCl but the reverse is true for their reducing property. So सबसे पहले देखें यहाँ पे, तो we can say that the acidic strength of HBr, we can say the acidic strength of HBr is definitely greater than HCl, but for the reverse is true for the reducing property, which is basically not true, because if we will talk about the reducing property, so for the reducing property of both of them, again the same order is true for the reducing property. That means HBr will be having the more reducing property than the HCl. So basically first statement is not true. Coming to the second part, that is B, which is basic strength of PH3 is greater than ASH3, which is basically correct, क्योंकि बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ मतलब क्या है कि आपका यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना बेसिकली कितना दे सकता है, ठीक है। तो बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ की अगर यहाँ पे बात करी जाए तो PH3 का हमेशा ज़्यादा रहता है देन द ASH3, but the reverse is true for their bond angle, which is basically not true, because if I will draw the structure of PH3 and ASH3, so we can say कि if this is the PH3, there will be one lone pair, and in the case of ASH3, now if I will measure the angle between this HH bond, that means this HP bond, HPH bond and HAS bond, so in this case the angle is coming out to be 93.6 degree, जबकि in this case it is coming out to be 91.8 degree. तो यहाँ पे वी कैन सी कि ये सेम ऑर्डर का नहीं है, यहाँ पे इट इज नॉट ट्रू फॉर द रिवर्स के लिए अगर चेक करा जाए, सो बट द रिवर्स इज ट्रू फॉर देयर बॉन्ड एंगल. तो यहाँ पे वी कैन सी इवन द बॉन्ड एंगल फॉर PH3 is also greater than ASH3. Coming to the option number C, which is dipole moment of CHCl is greater than CH3F, यानी कि CH3Cl is like this. Okay, so here will be Cl, and in the case of CH3F, similar structure, but Cl की जगह पे यहाँ पे आ जाएगा हमारे पास F. Okay, now we can see the dipole moment is definitely going to be greater than for Cl case, because Cl is having the larger size. So we can say that for the dipole moment the correct statement is given. For the dipole moment we can say that it is correct. Now we will check for the, but reverse is true for the HCH bond. Now let us say the HCH bond for this one is, let's say we can say that, let's say theta1, and for this one let's say we can say that theta2. Now this implies that we can directly say that the theta2 is going to be greater than the theta1. Now why? Because CH bond is having more S character, is having more S character in CH3F than CH3Cl. Now since S character is more in CH3F, so we can say that the angle यानी कि theta2 is going to be greater for CH3F. So हमसे यही कहा गया था कि CH3Cl की डाइपोल मोमेंट ज्यादा है, बट इसका रिवर्स ट्रू होगा हमारा HCH बॉन्ड के लिए, which is the correct one. So the correct statement for this question is option number C. Even the fourth option is Ka1 of fumaric acid is higher than the malic acid, which is not true, because in the option number D we can say that Ka1 जो हमारा होता है that is basically greater for the malic acid rather than the fumaric acid. So malic acid के लिए हमारा जो फर्स्ट बेसिकली जो कांस्टेंट होता है K is greater for the malic acid. So this is also not the correct one. So the correct answer for this question is option number C. Okay, so I hope you understood it well. Thank you.